Okay, fella, good afternoon, subscribers. This is the bank I've been talking about. I found this October 5th of 2022. Okay, I found that along the river, and supposedly this is the part where the guy lost his silver collection. I don't know if this is part of it, but that was all in cans and jars. But here we go with what we got in the bank. An 1884 Morgan dollar. Well, let's try to zoom it in, but don't know why it's doing that. But anyway, Walking Liberty $50. Kennedy's 64, and the rest are from 65 to 69. These are all clad, of course. Got 2 V nickels, 2 Indian head pennies, 3 identifiables. Oh, a 5-cent Saventos was in there, and then all wheat pennies. Alright, thank you for watching, and please subscribe and share this. Thank you.